So it's that beautiful time of the year and the folks at Blender Market are doing the cyber sale. This is running from the 24th of November all through to the 27th of November of 2023. There are tons of things for anyone to come and grab, and 30% is by far more than the 25% that we get from every other sale. So just in case you like to grab this, you can simply go over to the link in the description. They'll bring you right here where you can start exploring. And if you're wondering where to start from, all of the popular stuff are all doing sales. So you can find from the Shader Plus all the way to Flora Paint are all on sale. You can simply go over to the all popular items just in case you like to take a look at all of the ones that are currently available, and you can find them from Botanic all the way to the Auto Rig Pro, which is amazing. So just in case you're thinking about rigging stuff, you have that. Some vegetation stuff, you have that. Some fluid simulation, you can do them with the Flip Fluid. You like to do some modeling. CG is putting out the Fluent 3 stressless modeling tool. You can also find Cabrator very useful if you're into creating cables. You might also be thinking about atmospheric stuff, and that is where all of the cool things from the physical add-on shows up. So with the physical starlight and atmosphere, you can do amazing stuff within your scene, control how you like the lighting to be, and you can change both the clouds and the overall feel of your scene. Recently, they've also released a beautiful tool that has to do with ocean, and you can use that to do some amazing cinematic and procedural water simulation with tons of parameters that you can play with. Geoscatter is also available for 30% off. Geoscatter is one of the best scattering tools that you would ever find in Blender, and right now you can get that for 30% off. And for those who are into clothing, JSlav is putting out all of his stuff on sale from the Simply Cloth Pro, which version 3 comes with a lot of features that allows you to simply create clothes based off the mesh that you're working with, and you can also do some incredible things that has to do with sewing with that. There's also a couple of cloth tools that he has also made over time, which will definitely make you creating clothes and every other cloth related operations in Blender super easy. And if you're looking for humans, then Oliver J. Post Human Generator Ultimate is an amazing one. This tool is just by far one of the cleanest, coolest tools for generating humans in Blender. So with this, you can generate any kind of character you want, and you can play with parameters to control them however you deem fit. Andrew D is also putting out all of his amazing add-ons. So if you work with PBR materials, then Extreme PBR Nexus is a beautiful one. Go ahead, grab it. This is by far one of the coolest PBR material packs that I've also seen in Blender, and this reminds me a lot about Santos Library, which we're going to talk about in a bit. Alongside this, Andrew D is also putting out the HDRI Maker, which is also a very cool tool for anyone who is thinking about playing with HDRIs and using them alongside the scene that they've made and getting that seamless blend from the ground up. Ducky 3D is putting out the real-time materials for Blender at 50%. So this is just wild. Like every other person is doing 25-30%, Ducky 3D jumps in with 50%. Cool stuff. All of his real-time materials are super interesting. You can use this for both motion graphics, your interior decors, and also your simple, interesting renders that you like to have. Also, you can also find some cool stuff on Ducky 3D's page. Orange Turbine doing amazing stuff with the Retopo Flow 3. This is a clean retopology toolkit for Blender, and this eases out the stress of making retopologies in Blender. So if you're into creating retopology, then you might want to consider checking this one and save yourself so much time. Santos Library, like we mentioned earlier, offers amazing stuff, and this is for procedural materials. So if you like to work procedurally, you like to control your materials exactly how you want them, then you can simply take a look at this and take advantage of the 440 procedural materials that comes with this. Now, this doesn't only come with the procedural materials, there's also a baking tool that comes with it, a geometry set of tools that also comes with this, and you have perpetual free updates for all of this. Most of the add-ons that we've just talked about are all 4.0 compatible, so just in case you're using 4.0 or 4.0.1, you definitely feel at ease with them. And of course, we can talk about some cool stuff going on sale without talking about Cheap Walters. Cheap Walters just simply has cool stuff that anyone that is into hard surfacing and also texturing would want to grab. So if you're into assets as well, you might want to take a look at all of the cool things that Cheap Walter has, from the Slice It to the EV and Cycles material system all the way to KitOps. There's also the Sci-Fi Pro Plus Flex, and if you're into Parallax, then you might also find the KitOps Parallax a very interesting one to work with. And for those that are looking for more textures, HDRIs, and assets, then Polyheaven Asset Browser is a beautiful one. This comes with over 1,000 plus HDRIs, models, and also materials, and you can get this at 8K resolution. And for sure, this also comes with frequent updates. And if you're looking for stylized shaders, then Bubblegum is the guy for you. Bubblegum has created a couple of interesting stylized shaders. This includes Kamikaze, the Ultimate Plastic, the Clay Dough, and you can find more like the Cardboard shader and also Woolly, which is a knitting shader available on his storefront. My King's Knot is also another interesting creator that has made a lot of other things. So if you like to get the Conform object, yes you can. If you like to also get the Starship generator, all of the stuff is currently available available on his storefront. The perspective plotter is a very cool one that you can use to do your camera matching in Blender. So if you're looking for utility tools, then McKinsnot has a couple of cool ones that I would suggest that you come through and check out. And by the way, with everyone doing 30% off, the folks at Monkey Business are currently doing 35% off. And this is for the Colorist Pro. This is a brand new add-on that is currently available, and this simply allows anyone to play with all of the forms of color grading that you would want in Blender. So whether you're thinking about color management, color grading, lens flare, lens dirt, glare, film emulation, and also aspect ratio, you do have all of these available. Monkey Business also offers the beautiful Saguka Toon shader. And of course, the folks at B Production have a lot of things. And recently, they just released Realistic Touch. The idea behind Realistic Touch is for you to be able to apply surface imperfection on your model, as this offers a collection of over 200 4K and seamless textures that would allow you to do amazing things however you want. As this is divided into 10 groups, and this includes fingerprint, dust, scratches, grunge, smear, and also a lot more. So if you're thinking about getting the Realistic Touch, right now might be a good time. It's also worth considering that they do have a lot of other things on their platform, which includes the cloudscape, population, the global light texture, which is amazing by the way, and you will also be able to find things that deals with vegetation, the real-wood texture, and by all means, I would suggest that you purchase the bundle and save more than simply purchasing them individually. Amandeep is also another interesting creator that makes a lot of utility tools, and he's doing a 30% off on every single thing. So from the clean panels all the way to run tools, to the color grid generator, all of these you can now get. And again, I would definitely suggest for every of these tools, consider to see if they do have bundles, as this would save you more. But of course, if you like to get them as individual tools, then this is totally up to you. And for those who are thinking about learning how to work with Blender, then the folks at Seiji Cookie have an outlined set of tutorials that would help you. So all of these tutorials have been created in wonderful ways that can help you start creating easily, from the brand new beautifully minimal Blender project all the way to the modify, which is a complete guide to Blender modifiers, down to you being able to create rigs, all the way to you creating amazing characters. And if you would like to learn about procedural modeling, they do have a course for that. And if you're thinking about learning animation, there is a Blender animation bootcamp that also offers a lot. And the folks at Creative Shrimp are also doing the same thing in terms of learning. So whether it's procedural texturing that you're looking at, or cinematic lighting in Blender, or probably you want to get into photogrammetry and you're wondering how you can get started, they do have something to offer in that regards. It's also worth mentioning that they have the Dust Particle Plus, and this tool just simply allows you to apply dust particles in your scene to add that extra sense of realism, and you can easily control this within the geometry node. So whether you're thinking about adding just simple dust, embers, or maybe you just want to add mods within your scene, this takes care of all of that. There is a free version by the way, so if you're willing to test this first before purchasing, then this might be a good call for you. Blender Bros are also doing a lot of sale, so all of these are currently on sale, from the material works all the way to the environment package to the design package and game package. You do find all of this. These are all packages that includes individual courses all packed into one. So if you're focusing on games or maybe design or probably environment, then there is a package that actually offers what you want. The stylized tree asset generator is also here. This is made available by Ree, and this is a highly customizable set of stylized tree tools that you can use. This offers a ton of options and features for those who are into stylized assets creation. It also uses geometry node setup to create the trees, and once you start playing with the parameters, this automatically creates UVs for you and bakes them to the material. This also has a couple of variants just in case you're thinking about what you can do with it, and you can choose to animate your models, scatter them, and use them to populate your stylized scene. It's also worth mentioning that creators like 3DC VFX are also putting out their stuff on sale, so just in case you're thinking about some VFX stuff, you will definitely find them here. Edwin Webby is also putting out his own stuff on sale as well. So all of the things that you need for either stylized motion graphics, some node stuff, some utility things, you would find them here. And if you're into hair, then the folks at VFX Grace would be your best buddies, as they do have a Blender add-on that deals with 3D hair brushes, and this now supports a new hair system in Blender. You would also find the hair bricks from Louis Art, an amazing one to work with, as version 2 now offers even more options that you can use to control the hair and manage this however you please. And of course, Casaship is also putting out everything they have on their storefront, and you might want to consider going over and checking out their 2023 bundle that now offers 30%. And if you choose to purchase everything right now within the Black Friday, you'll be saving 50% off instead of purchasing this individually, as this contains both the Flora Paint, the Lazy VFX, the Real Cloud, the Geosign, and the Real Water. CG Blender is also putting out all of their assets and also impressive things that they have on their storefront, all for sale. So if you want to get any of these ones, these are currently right here. And if you're into animation, then you might want to consider taking a look at the animation layers. Tao Hitchcock is also putting out the animation layer add-on version 2 on sale at this point. There's also a brand new animation toolbox, which is an impressive add-on with set of tools and workflow for animating in Blender. This comes with temporary control tools, animation tools, and you'd also find both display and also rigging tools that you can work with. So if you're into animation and probably you're looking for an animation layer or an animation tool, then Tao Hitchcock has something for you. The folks at the Fuse Studio have created and launched a brand new add-on, which is the Business Pack People Set. This comes with over 70 models, and they're fully rigged and animated to help bring your 3D scenes to life. And for optimization, there is a low poly and a high poly option for anyone that would like to work with this. This is currently compatible with their crowd system, which is the procedural crowd tool, which is currently on sale as well. And of course, if you like to get procedural sign or the procedural alley, then you'll definitely find these ones all on sale at this point. Anthony Bagattini, creator of Bagger Pie, has just announced Bagger Street. This is a very interesting add-on that would allow you play with street elements and also stylize your street however you want. This also works with other Bagger tools, and you can use this to throw in assets in different ways directly in your scene. More so, if you like to get even more Bagger stuff, the Bagger Ivy generator, the Bagger Rain generator, and also Bagger Pie, which is an architecture, vegetation, rock, and trees tool, is also here. And like I mentioned with other ones, there is also a Bagger Pack, which is an add-on bundle. So again, instead of just simply purchasing these one after the other, you can choose to get the Bagger Pack, and this would save you lots, as the Bagger Batch is coming and it would be part of the Bagger Pack, and the Bagger Street, which is a brand new one, is going to be alongside with this. So of course, you'll be saving more if you purchase this, and to any update that comes to any of the Bagger tools that we've just mentioned, you'd also be able to have them. Cutizalt is putting out most of his tools for sale right now. So if you're looking for procedural patterns, you want the modular workspace for Blender, or you like to get the generators lab or the stylized hard surface material, then all of these are now here. So this is it. Tons of cool add-ons, assets, models, materials, generators, tutorials are currently available on sale right now. So just in case you like to grab them for 30%, then this might be the best time for you to get it. Links to all of this, including some of the ones that were just announced while we're making this video, are all going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.